Hello everyone, for today's video I will cook chicken inasal that we will buy at SNR. Let's go! Tinabas ko na siya ng half hour a day. Kalating araw, pero still frozen pa rin. Kaya wala akong choice kundi I will cook na lang with water until it boil and until the ice will melt para hindi siya tumutuko sa loob. Yun lang. Kala ko ba 4 na piraso? Akala ko lang pala. Kailangan ko ng water. And then, I will ganito. After 10 to 30 minutes, the other side of the chicken legs naman yung lulutuin. And the chicken was turned golden brown like that. Sabi nila luto na. Let's see if the inside of the chicken will not have blood. While the other one was waiting. Ayan, waiting lang. Takpan para hindi madalsik. Let's go. Ayan. I added the sauce para hindi siya masayang and have taste. Ayan, nagdikit siya kaya nawala ng balat ng chicken. Oh no, there is a blood, tumutulo pa. Kaya iluluto ko siya ulit. Yan, salang ulit. Another 10 to 30 minutes. Tadaan! After 10 to 30 minutes, let's see if there is blood to the chicken. Sorry for the background kasi nanonood sila. Yun lang kaya ang cooking. Hindi na ako nag-edit. after 10 to 30 minutes, ayan, I open again to resume the chicken to check. Let's check. It's golden brown na. Siguro naman luto-luto na to. Ayan. The another one. The first. Let's check kung wala nang dugo. Oh no, may dugo pa siya kaya inulit ko. Hirap na hirap talaga ako magprito ng manok kasi dumudugo siya sa loob. Pero sa labas, golden brown na siya. Pero tingnan mo, dumudugo siya sa loob. Pero let's see. I removed the original voice kasi super ingay. Yun lang. While waiting, the chicken was cooked. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and support my channel. Love you all. Happy eating, everyone. Yeah, this is the final look of the chicken. Thanks God, no blood inside. Let's eat. Happy eating, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing.
Like and comment and follow and subscribe for more content.